Choose your fighter. Fight.
Knockout. You win.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel. My name is Courtney, but I go by Young and Kinky here on YouTube. And if you is new here, welcome to the family. If you is not new here, welcome back. How was you doing? I done missed you. Hope you are still staying safe out here in these streets. So today's video is going to be all about a vision board and how to make one. What is it? How can you make one that's actually going to come true? How we going to manifest our dream life for 2022? Okay. But before we get into today's video, please do not forget to smash that red subscribe button down below if you have not already. Show your girls some love. Go ahead and hit that bell notification right next to it so that you can be notified when I upload. And don't forget to follow me on social media at YoungandKinky because let's be friends. Duh. So let's jump right into today's video. Today we are talking about how to make a vision board that actually works using the law of attraction. So I do have a video on law of attraction. It is not out yet. It will be out after this video, but I'm going to link it in one of these corners when it is posted so that you can go watch that video all about how to use law of attraction, what it is. But today's video is going to be how to actually make like a visual vision board. So what is a vision board? So a vision board is a board with your visions on it. It's a board. It could be on your phone or your computer. It can be something physical where you put down words or pictures or things that represent what you want to accomplish for the new year. So it's like a board with your goals visualized. So you know how you have like maybe a list of your goals? This is like actual like pictures and like cutouts and printouts and stuff like that. So this is my board from 2020. I did not make one last year for 2021, but this is my board from 2020. It's all raggedy and falling apart, but I still have it. So you can just see a quick little this one, how I made it. And I actually have a video all about this one up when I first posted it, which go ahead and click in one of these corners above my head to check that out. But that's my one from 2020. What is the point of a vision board? So for me, the point of a vision board is so that I can see everything that all my goals and stuff, I can see it visualized. I can see it. I usually keep these somewhere where I look every single day. This is actually my vision board right here. It's much bigger than that one for 2022. We're gonna get all into that. I'm gonna show you exactly what's on there. We're getting all up in my business, okay? The point of a vision board is so that you can see everything that you know you want to accomplish like in your face. Like with me, it helps me to see things out like in writing in front of me. Like I have to write stuff down. I have to get it in front of me. So that's the point of a vision board. So everything that you want, everything that you want to accomplish for 2022, you put on this board so that you can remind yourself and daily, like consciously, like have it always in the front of your mind. Because you know, we all do the same. It's so hot in here. We do the same thing. We write our goals down for 2022, or what do they call it? New Year's resolutions. You write your New Year's resolutions down. You're like, okay, I'm gonna do this and third, and then you kind of put it on a list, maybe in your phone, and you kind of forget about it. And you don't, like, no. This big ass vision board, I know you can't see it, it's out of frame, but this big ass vision board up here, it's up here because I look at it every single day. Before I go to bed, when I wake up in the morning, before I leave out for work, whenever I need some encouragement, I come over here, I look at my vision board, and I'm like, okay, like this is what I'm working for. This is what I'm fighting for. Like this is what I get up every day for and go grind. And I'm tired, but guess what? We got to check off this fucking vision board list. But what do you put on it? So you put whatever you want to accomplish on your vision board. Don't let nobody else tell you got to be all fancy and cute. Like no, my vision board up here, which we're gonna see in a second, is so plain. And I was like, I should make it cuter, but I was like, for what? Like this shit ain't to be cute. This shit is so I can actually check shit off. I think sometimes we get caught up in like the aesthetics of things and like how cute things are, how they look. And don't get me wrong, if you want to make it cute and you creative, then go for it. I'm not that kind of person. I ain't got the time, the energy, or the patience to be sitting here trying to make this shit look all cute and stuff like. No, it's functional, and that's what it's for. You can make yours as cute as you want to. You can do it digitally. You can do it on your phone. You can even just collect a bunch of pictures, like, and put them in an album in your phone, and just go through those pictures every now and again. Just look at them like, this is the stuff I want to accomplish. But if you want to take it a step further, make an actual vision board, you can do so on Canva for free. Canva.com. Just get up there and make a collage. It's apps that make collages on your phone. It's so many different ways to do do this. You can get old magazines and newspapers if you know anybody who still gets those, or if you know somewhere where you can, like, you know what I'm saying, just borrow them real quick, cut some stuff out, put them back. Go to Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree also has magazines and books and stuff. You can make this work. Like, you don't have to spend a lot of money on this stuff. Like, that board I had got from Walmart. This board I got from Walmart. That shit was like $10. That probably was like $5. Like, this does not have to be expensive. You can even get a poster board like this one. You can get a poster board like this. This came from the Dollar Tree. Just paste your stuff up here. Yeah, it does not have to be fancy, and you can put whatever you want to put on. Now, this is your vision. It's your life. What do you want to accomplish? Like, what do you want to see every day? What do you want 2022 to give you? You need to start with a list of your goals. So I always start by making an actual list, and I will flash mine across the screen right here. I like to start out with an actual list of my goals so that I know what to put on my vision board. So, for example, you know, you read my list right here. It's going to translate to what's up here. So start off, open the notes app in your phone, grab a pen, grab a notepad, whatever you think you might want to do, whatever it is that you think you might want to accomplish, write it all down. And then you're going to find pictures to go along with that. So now, after you made your list of everything that you want to accomplish, next it's time to make visuals. So, and I'm sorry if y'all hear other background noise. I have 2 kids, 2 little kitty cats. So I don't know why they were just napping. Now they up and just acting a fool. So let's say you say, I want to eat healthy. So maybe you find a picture of like a salad or a smoothie, or I want to work out every day. So maybe you find a picture of somebody in the gym working out. I want to meditate or do yoga. So maybe you find a picture of somebody doing yoga, whatever. Like, find a visual that accompanies the actual goal. That's a visual representation of what you put on your goal list. Next, you have to believe that everything that you're putting on your vision board will actually come true. It will actually come into existence. You have to will this stuff into existence. You can't just make a board and say, I want to get a promotion at work. I want a new job. I want to start working. I want to eat healthy. And then just be like, all right, fuck it, bye. Like, I'm going to just put it in the corner, let it collect dust up here on the wall or whatever. Like, no, I believe that the things on this list, I just know. For me, it's just a feeling like I know that everything that I want, I will get, like, period. Everything on this board up here will be checked off. I will accomplish it and I will get it. Now, some of these things, I do want to do a disclaimer. Some of my stuff on my board is not stuff that's meant to be checked off in 2022. Some of those are long-term goals, but it's just stuff that I want to have up there. Because sometimes in my mind just be so jumbling. I just be trying to focus on too many things at once. So sometimes I'll feel like if I'm not actively working towards something, then I'm kind of like slacking. But this board reminds me that it's okay to focus on one thing at a time, and you slowly take stuff off, and you slowly start checking stuff off your list, and then you realize that you were working on stuff when you need to work on it, and you are accomplishing those goals. So you have to speak this stuff into existence, and you have to speak in the present tense. So, for example, up here I have a new laptop. So I'm not gonna say, oh my gosh, I can't wait to get my new laptop. I'm gonna say, oh my gosh, I love my new laptop. Even though I don't have it yet, I'm speaking it into existence. So I'm speaking in the present tense as if I already have it, because it already belongs to me. Anything that you want already belongs to you. It already has your name written on it, okay? You just really have to believe that anything you want is yours already. It already belongs to you. Everything on this board belongs to me already, okay? It's already mine. I don't got to stress about it. I don't got to be upset about it. I don't have to worry when it's coming. I know it's coming in perfect timing, and it belongs to me. So let me show you my vision board. So I keep my vision board on the wall up here. It was in my closet, but I wasn't really seeing it that much in my closet. It was up way up top of my closet. So I decided to put it out here somewhere where I look every day. And I know it looks a little messy over here, but this is my office area, my little desk. And so here is my vision board. So here's just a little overview of it. And like I said, my vision board isn't the fanciest, simply because I felt like I wanted to be more functional than fancy. And also what I did with this vision board is I used the little push pins here instead of stapling it or gluing it, because my thing is, when I accomplish something, I want to be able to take it off and take it off and take it off. And I want y'all to follow me on this journey too, as I get this board down to nothing. Like I said, some of these things are long-term goals. Like this here is me getting my doctorate. That's a long-term goal. That's going to take at least 4 years. Getting completely out of debt. That's going to take a while, because I have a lot of student loans and I have a car and everything. So it takes a while. So let's just go over some of the stuff on this board. So up here it says, it's just a little meme there. It says, I pay my bills are paid. So there are a couple of bills that I'm a little bit behind on. So I'm just trying to get to a place where I can actually say that all my bills are current and they're not past due. So I can't wait. I'm almost ready to pull that bitch off, y'all. I'm so close. And I cannot wait to take my first pen off. And then right here, I don't have a license right now, but I can't wait to get one. It's suspended. So that's another thing that's important to me, getting my driver's license back. And then here, getting my credit. I used to have a 750 credit score. Unfortunately, I let that shit drop. So getting that back to what I want it to be. So that's up there. Like, again, that's probably gonna take a year or two to get all the way back up there. Completely furnishing my bedroom because all I have right now is a bed in there and I need my other furniture. I want a dog, even though I have 2 little kittens. They're not in here right now. Oh, here, there's one. Say hey, Callie bae. Callie. Georgie Poo. There go the other one. This is my Callie bae and my Georgie Poo. Need a brother. So they're both girls. They need a brother, so I want a dog. I do want a puggle, so that's what that is. I want 2 new cameras. I want this one for filming and this one for like vlogging. So new cameras. I want to get my car registered or pay my car registration for the following year. This is another long-term goal. I do want a Q7, so that's up there. I want to get microblading, find a therapist. I need to see a doctor because I lost my insurance. I haven't been to the doctor in a year or so. Pay some taxes to the IRS. Everything, I have a couple of wish lists, so everything on my wish list, I want to get that off. Appliances for my home that I want to get, a steam cleaner, a robot vacuum, a new blender, a juicer, this Instapot thing, and this very expensive Dyson vacuum, a new laptop, new iPad. Some of this, I don't know why this paper curls up like that. A new iPad, upgrade my watch because I just want a new one. Hello. I want a desktop, a Mac. I want a newer model of the car I have right now, which is the Kia Soul, because I love that fucking car. I want to find a nutritionist, fully furnish my entire home. This is actually the couch that I want to have. I want to invest in my businesses, Love Cry and Young and Kinky. New gym membership, working out. I want to take back up dancing. Or get back into dancing, start boxing, find a personal trainer. I need to get them spayed and chipped. Please don't judge me. I know I should have been done it, but I'm working on it. I want to get them a cat tree and their harnesses, take them to the vet, pay their deposit because don't tell my leasing office I ain't paid that shit yet. And I want to save up $10,000. I want to have sinking funds filled up, become debt free. And these are my savings goals for each of my 3 accounts that I want to have. So like I said, some of these things are long-term goals, but I still put them up there anyway because I just want to keep them in the forefront. I want to keep them in the front of my mind. So that is my vision board. I hope y'all like it. If you want to, copy my little method of the push pen, I think that it's more effective than just having a regular vision board because like I said, as I accomplish stuff, I plan on taking it off the board, taking it off the board, taking it off the board. Thank you all so much for watching today's video. I hope it was helpful, informative. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, let me know that in the comments below. Let me also know down in the comments what are some things that you want to accomplish for 2022. If you're going to do a vision board, if you need more tips or anything, just let me know. But again, thank you all so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe if you have not already, and I will see you guys next Thursday at 4 p.m. Okay, bye.